So when you guys get approved for a credit card and you guys are trying to be in a building stage, I always tell people if you're not disciplined, like be real with yourself. If you're not disciplined, do not spend more than 5% on that credit card. Or if you were to spend more than 5% on a credit card, do not let them report a balance that's higher than 5%, because if you do, it's going to drop your credit score. And when you're trying to build your credit, you don't want your credit score to be low at all. So if you guys like a $500 limit, then for a $500 limit, you should not let them report more than $25 as a balance to the credit bureaus. And they're going to report that 3 days, most likely 3 days after your due date, sometimes a little longer, maybe 4 or 5 days, but usually by your due date, make sure you pay everything, and you can pay everything but the $25 if you want to, but do not let them report a high balance. Like utilization is very, very important when it come down to like your credit card. So let me give you an example right here. Like, this is my Kickoff account. I was using it for another part of video, so I figured this would be a good example here. They approved me for the Kickoff account. I got this almost, it's gonna be 2 years on the 29th that I had this account here, but they approved me for $500. If you apply now, they're gonna give you $750. Right now, the utilization is excellent. It's 3%. Your overall utilization, you do not want over 5%. Sometimes people say 30%, but if you want like the best credit score, do not let them report more than 5%. Like, you want to see your credit really popping if they do not report more than 5%. So right now my statement balance is $15. I say $25 is the most that'll get you at that 5%, but it won't get you over that. So keep that in mind. And to figure out the utilization on any of your credit cards, all you have to do is go to Credit Karma. Credit Karma will tell you what your utilization is like at the time. Like, your overall utilization is this amount. Your overall utilization matter, but you need to find out what your utilization is on each of your credit cards. So by your due date, you need to make sure that you have your balance down so that they only report that low balance. After your statement comes out, then you can max it out if you want to, but you better not let them report a high utilization on your credit cards, because it's going to